Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to unblock contact in Viber, and now let's dive right in. Now to unblock contact in Viber, first open up your Viber app on your phone. And after opening your Viber app, guys, in order to unblock a certain contact on Viber, we will be required to go to the blocked sections of Viber. To do that, tap on the more button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen, and you will land over here where it says the settings. Tap on settings over here just above my notes, and over here tap on privacy. And now on this interface of Viber, will be required to scroll down to the bottom of the screen, and you can see there is the block list available for us just above the hidden chats. Tap on block list, and all of your blocked contacts will be over here. Now in order to unblock that contact, you can see unblock button available for us at the right side of these users which were blocked. Tap on unblock, and that contact will be unblocked on Viber. And guys, this is how to unblock contact in Viber. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.